plan our wizard using the work process. We want to increase the price of all our products by $1. The sequence of the process is to first create a representation of the product price as it is today. Then, create a calculator that adds $1 to the price. In order to do that, we will use the variable commands setValue and mathematics. We'll start by adding a setValue command and set a variable and its value. Then we will add a mathematics command that adds 1 to the variable we have created. Finally, we will run the wizard and add a showMessage command to see the results. We start by adding the setValue command. We name the variable price and set its value to 0. Then we're adding a mathematics command. We set this command to add 1 to the variable price. Finally, to see the results of this commands combination, we add a showMessage command that displays the value of the variable price. Use the $ to select an existing variable in the open fields. Click Do It to run the wizard. You can see that the showMessage command returns the result 1 as expected. Thanks for watching.